Hey Wildcats, I'm Bill Ross, Special Collections Librarian here in Diamond Library. Through my job, I provide sources to promote storytelling. And if you look behind me, you can see boxes and boxes of materials that do just that. But today, on this Throwback Thursday, I want to tell you the story of the Library Cookie Break, our oldest Frazzle Free Finals tradition. It began back in 2001, a couple of months after 9/11. And we were trying hard to generate community and some normalcy here on campus. I found a story about a small women's college in the Midwest where the faculty served tea and cookies to their students during exams. That didn't seem to quite fit UNH, but I talked to a couple of colleagues and we decided to adapt the idea to this campus. So 20 Decembers ago, library staff baked cookies, provided snacks, and brewed coffee to sustain students studying on reading day. Over the years it grew as we prepared trays for the branch libraries and partnered with bakers in academic technology, dining, Zeeks, and the Parents Association, among others. I like to think that I remember them all, but one in 2003 or 2004, I kind of forget, stands out. We had a big snowstorm the Sunday night before reading day, and happily most of the staff had dropped their cookies off early. UNH went into curtailed operations, but a few of us dragged ourselves in to find a jam-packed library full of hungry students, desperately in need of coffee. When we finally unveiled the trays up on the mezzanine on the fourth floor in the atrium, students were lined up down the stairs all the way back to the research desk. Needless to say, once things got started, we ran out of cookies in about 45 minutes. And in fact, I think to this day, that was one of the busiest days this library ever had. So the tradition grew and became a staple of the Frazzle Free Finals experience. And while this year we're virtual, we want to keep the tradition alive by sharing some of our favorite cookie recipes. So you can find those online. And Wildcats, we invite you to post your favorite cookie recipes in the comments section below. Be safe and enjoy a cookie break of your own. We look forward to seeing you in the spring. Goodbye.